Okay, it's October 6th. Nora's first time in the swing. There's a lot going on.
What do we think? There's so much going on.
I know. Go faster.
Faster.
Oh. What do you think, Stink? Yeah?
Can't see her face.
She's starting to smile and you're going faster. Go faster. There you go. That's a good smile. There you go. Can you zoom in?
You know she's going to be the one when she can talk. It's just going to be like...
And then. We should see the, like, face tracker trying to follow her. It's like... Yeah.
What do you think, baby?
What do you think?
It's a pretty exciting first experience.
Yeah.
Well, I figure she likes the kind of swinging into you game.
Right. What do you think, Bug? Yeah?
This will be a good video.
Yeah. She's got this huge thing of drool, just like 10 feet long. Yeah.
What did you think? You swinging? Yeah.
I realize there's a lot of room behind her. If she leans back, she's gonna like...
Hi. But you know eventually when she can talk, she's going to be like, higher, higher.
Hot. Yeah, you having fun?
It's a nice little park.
Yeah. It looked nice on the website. Woo!
What do you think, bud? Is this a good game?
No, don't do that. Kayla. Kayla, come here, little bug.
Oh, I just realized she has her bug bites in the video.
Yeah. Woo! Blow in her face when she comes close.
Shit, the wind's blowing now. Get some wind in your hair. Woo! Woo!
I know, that's who I'm talking about. Come on, we're running around here. And you can walk Jaden. Don't run.
You probably don't have to videotape the whole. Just so they get a clip.